Hi, so good day, accounting peoples, and welcome newbies to our community. By the way, I'm Miss Marian Labonete, and you can call me Coach Yan Yan. So I'm the founder of Accounting Peoples. We started August 31, 2021 to be exact. So I just want to say welcome to our community. So it will walk through ko lang kayo regarding how you can maximize our community. I will share screen. So, para magamit niyo siya ng maigi sa inyong freelancing journey. Okay? So, this is our community. As you can see, there's a lot of files here. So, I want you to take advantage lahat ng file dito. So, dito niyo siya makikita. So, since 2021, season na ako, nag-iipon na ako ng mga materials dito, if you can see. So, if you're looking for a handouts or any cheat sheet or any materials na kailangan nyo, nandito lang siya. So, para baka kasi naghahanap kayo ng any mababasa or any resources na magagamit nyo sa journey. So, every time I ask, may mga nagtatanong sa akin newbies, how to get started. So, I encourage them first to maximize all the free resources, including Google, YouTube, and the community itself. So, these files, magagamit nyo siya. So, maximize nyo muna yan. And then, tuturo ko na lang sa susunod kung kulang yung mga resources, hindi kayo satisfied sa YouTube, sa Google, that's the time maghahanap na kayo ng isang coach and mentor. And number 3 is after that coach and mentor, you need to upskill, meaning inside our community, we do have paid courses na affordable, not cheap, not too expensive. So, abangan nyo lang lagi kung ano yung mga upcoming courses sa loob. Pero included na dyan yung Australian bookkeeping, e-commerce, property management using Afolio and Buildium, QuickBooks Online, Zero, US Tax, and we do have upcoming soon, Canadian bookkeeping. So yun yung mga abangan nyo sa loob ng community, alright? So this is the files. So I want you to take advantage ng mga files dito. And then, normally, just to give you an idea kung kailan nagaganap ang aming free webinar, normally nagaganap siya every Thursday and Friday, 7 p.m. Why 7 p.m? Kasi most of you meron din trabaho sa corporate. And yun yung napili namin oras para maka-attend yung iba. So, when you see every Thursday, Friday, automatic, magtanong na kayo, may free webinar. So, paano nyo malalaman pag may free webinar? Always visit the community and look for these events. So, yan. If makikita nyo, ito mga to, yan, may mga free webinar, lahat yan free from the start. And kung sino yung speaker, may banner naman dyan. And normally talaga, 7 p.m. And then you just go to this event, for example, this one. So, naglalagay ako minsan dyan ng, may details na dyan. Punta lang kayo going. And then may details na dyan ng normally ng Zoom link. Okay? So, but before that, just to give you, ano ba si Accounting People's Elite para mas maintindihan nyo ano yung mission ng community. Accounting People's Elite is created, yan, ito ang mission natin. We are a community of freelancer that aims to excel in bookkeeping and accounting worldwide through continuous learning and innovation by the unwavering support that key people can compose of admin and coaches. As the community aims to grow, it shall focus on honing the members to be their best and well-rounded individuals, not only focusing on the technical training on how to do bookkeeping, but the members will also be equipped with all the skills they shall need, the hard and soft skills they shall need in accordance to skills classifications. So ayan, yan yung i-expect nyo sa community. It's combination of free and paid courses inside. But mostly madaming free, monthly and may free webinar. All you have to do is always check again the event page. Okay? So this is sinabi ko pang free, aside from Google, aside from AI, aside from the resources, I also have YouTube channel that you can also maximize. So mga dati na namin itong dito ko sinesave yung mga previous tutorial ko. So if you can see, this is the popular video ko na kinreate noon. So you can just take advantage of that. So ayan yung mga QuickBooks tutorial, how to use Loom, bookkeeping online, Upwork, and how to earn 6 digits. So madami dito akong mga na-record na before, how to win interview. So you can maximize. Okay? And then dito naman sa latest, nandito yung mga weekly, kung may mga free webinar kami, naka-record na lahat dyan para pwede nyo balikan. And pili na lang kayo ng topic kung ano yung napili nyo dito. But most of the free webinar are super valuable kasi we ensure that all speakers are expert on their chosen field. Okay? So next would be, saan nyo pa kami makikita lalo ako, sinisiyan yan, is I have FB pages. So you should like Freelancer yan pages para dito kasi kami madalas nagla-live. Kung hindi ka makapasok sa Zoom, nandito yung mga live session like this one. So ayan. So nandito rin yung mga posts and mga activities. Yan, mga wins ng higit. So nandyan din naman. But basically dito lahat yung live. Tapos share na lang namin sa community. Pero dito nakakonect kasi yung Zoom. So dito lahat ng live. Normally, yun nga, Thursday, Friday. And of course, in case you want to connect with me, just go on LinkedIn and go to Miss Marian Labonete profile. So this is my LinkedIn account. So if you want to connect with me, so please do so. So I'm also included in top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn for 2023 and top content creator. So those are the things that you will expect. In a way, may expertise para dun sa mga gustong mag-up skills and paano makakuha ng client using LinkedIn and even other platforms like online jobs, Upwork, Outsourcely, Fiverr. So lahat ng platform, mabibigyan ko kayo ng tips. Although we do have a separate community, which is the paid community that we have, just Accounting People's Elite. This is my coaching and mentoring session. So we have two kinds of community. This is the free community, Accounting People's, and this is the paid coaching session. So it's Accounting People's Elite. Dito, tinuturo ko lahat ng iba't ibang ways to get clients. So just to give you an idea what is Accounting People's Elite is not this one. So ayan, yung nasa loob noon para magkaroon kayo ng idea kasi madalas nyo siyang makikita sa community. So, I launched this Elite this Feb 19, 2023. So, we do have 651 mentees and counting. Hindi pa included yung batch 7. So, most likely nasa 700 na lahat. So, what is Accounting People's Elite? It's a coaching mentoring program. Ang pinaka tinuturo ko dito is may proven and tested blueprint on how to get hired. Client. Kasi yun yung nakita kong problem normally ng mga nagta-transition sa freelancing. So how to get hired, how to win interview, how to onboard clients, how to market your business, and mindset of a successful freelancer. So nandyan lang naman lahat yan. But just to give you a context na kasi makikita nyo to sa loob bakit merong Accounting People's Elite. So this is a paid coaching session and this one is our free community. So either way, you can maximize the community itself. So yan, gusto ko lang kayong i-welcome and I will just again highlight the mission of the community. So you can reach out to any of our admin and even me kung may questions kayo sa loob. And I'm looking forward to see you sa mga susunod na webinar and welcome to Accounting Peoples. Thank you.